Hey, this is Don Kryptonium, and you can already see what I'm going to talk about today. As the wisest man on the planet Earth, of course, I'm going to talk about ox.fun because I have the website of the ox.fun opened. So to support Don Kryptonium, make sure you like this video, you love this video, and spread this video across the World Wide Web. And now we are going to start, okay? So what I want to talk about today, this will be like a new introduction video. We are going to talk about the feelers that make me bullish on ox, okay? And many people I spoke about, they seem to be bullish on ox. So the feelers are founders, fun, Ponzinomics, and so on. Okay, and I want to start from the let's talk about the price. People love the price early on. So when you go to the CoinGecko, it shows you 25 million market cap. Okay, so this is the new replacement of something that was before OpenX, and OpenX was of course also the claims exchange, which doesn't have the niche anymore. There is no purpose of that, and it rebranded into ox.fun, which is simply gamified crypto perps trading. So if you think perps trading, add on top of that more fun and token collateral that's not really like major token or USDT, and there is more fun because you can participate with your friends, you can copy your friends and so on, but we will get into this. So when I look at the ox token, check this out, there's only 250 holders, which means no one might care about this, okay? The largest wallet is just ox.fun hot wallet. So the distribution, you know, like the second one, 4% is Gate. This, I don't know what's that contract. This probably some founder or so on. But beyond that, you don't really have that many of large holders and you don't have many holders. But this video is, of course, not about token. This is not about shilling the token. Okay, although I think Ox is good token, simple name, catchy, and it resembles the bulls. As for the bull market, if you believe in the upside potentials, if you believe in the fact that you can indeed win in life, I think that might speak to you. So first of all, I want to speak of the founder, and I do see the Ox as Suzu, to be honest. I think Suzu is a very bullish factor for this, and I think the token itself is a little bit like a social token of the Suzu. I don't think this is social token of Lucas. I think Suzu is much more impressive figure for the Ox token. And I want to address one thing, because I like to bet on people that got cancelled, okay? I like to bet on the people that others don't want to openly support, that others are afraid to support because maybe bad publicity. And I see that in crypto. That many people align themselves against certain people just because the large firms, the large crypto firms, which you actually as the crypto person stand against, align themselves with that large crypto firms to go against smaller people who got cancelled, okay? But I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna stand with those people. I'm gonna stand with those people that despite liquidations, despite obstacles, are still here. And I cannot imagine the crypto space without the Suzu. Okay, and one thing, you know, like I would get the DMs before, hey, be careful with that because Suzu is a scammer. I'm like thinking, dude, like how did he scam you? Like, so the history of 3AC was company that ran risky trading strategies, and to which VC funds invested. You didn't invest in 3AC. You didn't. You are broke ass. You never invested in 3AC. And these large firms who lost have bias against that, but you somehow come to my DMs and you would say that. I mean, who are you? So if you want to do that after this video, you need to understand that there is not a single second of my life where I'm gonna care about opinion of a little pussy as you are. Okay, now let's start the video. So we are going to start trading on the ox.fun. So this is per exchange, but there's few unique things. So the one of the unique things that is gamblifying the whole thing in a way, you can use the ox token. You know, you can use small token to accumulate more tokens if you win trades, or you can lose and get the tokens for a losers, also known as the milk. So for example, if I deposit on my account, you know, where is the balances? I want to see balances. So if I see balances, I deposit some of the ox. Okay, I deposit some of the ox. So if I go to trading now, what I can use USD viewed, or I can display directly in the ox the collateral that I have. So if I win trade, I get more ox. If I lose trade, I lose the ox and I get milk. Okay. The thing that I'm also bullish is that ox knows the markets. They knows what the people wants. So if you think there is unlimited potential of longing the MOG token, what you can do, you can go long MOG, and when the MOG wins, like what's happened, just think of it. When the MOG wins and sends, what sends to your wallet is way more ox tokens. Okay, so I think this is understandable. Look, like I'm not retarded enough to like long that candle. Okay, if you forgive me, but let me make this smaller because I want to show you some other things. So transparent leaderboard. All the world is about competition. You want to compete with people. Okay, so you can compare your trades to the leaderboard, and as you can see, the winner won already over $100,000 of the ox tokens. I'm sure this is not Lucas, okay, but also you can sometimes flex as the loser of the trading. So this person has the most of the milk tokens, okay? Copy trading, and this is something interesting because I will start Dawn challenge. You know, I do trade on something like Hyperliquid, but like to be honest, I think I can get more fame doing this on the Ox and have a little bit more fame. So you have something like a Coach Bruce Vault, and he wins at 162% ratio a year. So what I can do, I can deposit money and just copy Coach Bruce. Probably can get a fee from my trades, but if he wins, I make money, right? So many people admire Coach, so I do think there is a lot of pressure on the Coach Bruce, and I would not like to be in that position. There is Ryan Lyon, there is Christy that I also know from the Twitter, and soon there is Don Kryptonium that will present you Roy into the thousands, okay, as the greatest investor of the history of this world. You can also farm your Ox token if you don't want to put it to the use of the gambling. So this one I'm going to explore, but they certainly, it looks like they have some mission that allow you to acquire some more of the ox. So this is what you want. You know, I always say about like lack of innovation. Like crypto is not really innovation the way people want. Crypto is the cultural aspect, and this cultural aspect has its roots into kind of gamifying the experience and building the loyal community around. And I think Ox has those things, okay? And I think if they give me really good trading experience, I would rather go with their community than any other VC-funded community, especially that if it's cringe, okay? So what's the analytics that we have here? So they burn Ox tokens. So the more volume there is more Ox tokens burned. The daily volumes is on the uprise as well. And I'm sure if I will make videos, by the way, I'm really disappointed because I had to deposit my own tokens. I had to pay the gas fee of $100 to buy the tokens and deposit them. the best is to deposit directly from exchange, okay? It will be the cheapest, or from some layer 2. So let's trade, okay? We're gonna understand. So it doesn't display you the size of the leverage that you want to do. But this is okay. Like, let's say I have around $1,400 worth of ox. So if the Bitcoin, I'm not sure what's the possible leverage here is 20x, 50x or something. So that will give me the buying pressure into tens of thousands of dollars. What I'm going to do, I'm actually going to leverage ox token. And I don't really like this price. I thought it was 14. The funding rate around 250%. I'm gonna take that risk. Okay, so what's the count I'm doing? So it will show me. I'm going to risk. I'm going to risk 7,500 ox tokens. I'm gonna purchase this as this price. Right, so I'm doing like really easy. That's nah, we're going higher. I need a 5. Okay, so this is my margin. As you can see, I actually have like I have 100,000 ox, and do they allow me to do 20x leverage? I'm just gonna long it. Fuck, it did limit order. I didn't check this. Let me cancel that shit. Sorry. I'm not gay. I'm not gay. Okay, that was just mistake. That was just mistake. This. And now no, that's too much. And now I buy and long. And it's filled. I probably pump the price. Or maybe not. And now I'm looking at my position. And when the ox go up, I accumulate more of the ox tokens. Okay? So what we are going to do, this is very general video. I wanted to show you like why I like the projects that have some sort of unfair treatment. And I'm gonna deploy more of the videos. Short, education, how to do that, how to copy trade, how to make money, not financial advice, funding rates, understanding, how to farm, daily missions, and so on. All in the name of winning. Don Kryptoniums out till the next time.